This is question 5. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at the speed of 5 cm per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 cm, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? The answer is given is equal to dr by dt is equal to 5 cm per second. To find dA by dt at r is equal to 8 cm, area of the circle A is equal to pi r square. dA by dt is equal to dA by dr into dr by dt by chain rule. dA by dt is equal to d of pi r square upon dr into dr by dt, which is equal to 2 pi r into 5, which is equal to 10 pi r is equal to 10 pi into 8, that is 80 pi centimeter square per second. Hence, the rate at which area increases when the radius of the circular wave is 8 cm is 80 pi centimeter square per second.